There are several ways to connect a laptop to a TV, depending on the type of TV and the ports available on the laptop. Here are a few options. HDMI cable. If your laptop and TV both have an HDMI port, you can use an HDMI cable to connect them. Simply plug one end of the cable into the HDMI port on your laptop and the other end into the HDMI port on your TV. VGA cable. If your laptop has a VGA port and your TV has a VGA input, you can use a VGA cable to connect them. S-video cable. If your laptop has an S-video port and your TV has an S-video input, you can use an S-video cable to connect them. Wireless connection. If your TV is a smart TV or has a built-in wireless adapter, you may be able to connect to it wirelessly. You can do this by going to the network and internet settings on your laptop and selecting your TV from the list of available wireless devices. Chromecast. If your TV has a Chromecast device connected to it, you can use your laptop to cast content to the TV. To do this, you'll need to install the Google Home app on your laptop and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the Chromecast. Once you've connected your laptop to your TV, you should be able to control the TV using your laptop and use it as a second display.